Welcome to another video on Explained in Minutes. Today we are going to convert image to PDF in just 2 lines of code. If you are interested in programming, mathematics, data science and other interesting and creative stuff, do check out our ASA Learning YouTube channel. So the Python package that we are going to use to convert images to PDF file is image to PDF. Using this library, you can convert any images to a PDF file. It has some of the advantages like the image embedded in the PDF will always be lossless and the PDF file size will be small, and it is also fast. We are going to do in just single line. To install this library, I'll copy the pip install image to PDF as usual. Go to my CMD, paste it here and I'll run to install the image to PDF package. And the package has been successfully installed. Now let us convert our image to PDF with just 2 lines of code. To do that, we have to import image to PDF library, which we just installed now. For converting, we will obviously use directly the image to PDF library, and you have a function called as convert. So this takes the images path. In my current working directory itself, I have 3 images. Let us take only one image. We are going to convert this particular image to PDF now. So the image name is template.png. So I'll just give the image name. After specifying the image name, we are going to assign this to a variable. Let us name this variable as PDF bytes because this contains the chunks which have been converted. Now let us create a PDF in our current working directory. Now we don't have any PDF file here, so we will create a new one. So I'll name it as file itself. I'll open a new file. I'll call it as file.pdf. I'll open it in right binary mode. So if this file is not present, it will be obviously created. Then we will write the PDF file with the chunks. Here the chunks have been already assigned, which is PDF bytes. So I'll just write it to my PDF file. I'll close the open file. Now we would have got the PDF created. Yes, we have a PDF called as file.pdf. I'll open it. As you can see, we have a PDF file being created with our image. Really simple, isn't it? With just a single line of code, we are able to convert our image to a PDF file. What if you have multiple images and you want to convert those multiple images into a single PDF file? Consider in this working directory itself, I have 3 image files which are like a sample ones. These are like invoices, bills, it can be anything. Here I have multiple images. Now the requirement is we have to club all these multiple images into a single PDF file. How to do that? Really simple. We are going to see it now. To perform this, we can make use of one more inbuilt library, which is the OS module. I'll import OS. If you are not sure about the OS module, I have already made an explained in minutes video. You will get a pop-up above. Using OS module, you can perform system, file operations, directory operations. Everything has been explained in that video. So do check out the complete playlist in the description below. Using this library, we are going to get a list of files that is present in this particular directory. So these are the files that are present in my current working directory. If your images are in some other directory, you can very well specify the complete path here and you will get a list of files that are present in your directory. Now let me assign this to a list. I'll name it as list of files itself. In this list of files, we have other file extensions. For example, you have a folder, you have a Python notebook, you have a PDF file itself. But our goal is to convert only these 3 files to a single PDF. To filter it out, let us use our favorite list comprehension. Now let us view the complete list. We have this complete list here. To filter, I am going to name another variable list of PNG files. We are going to deal with only PNG files here. So that should be a list. Now it's really simple. So we will iterate the above list. In list of files, we will write a if condition here. If this particular file you have something called as ends with, and I will specify it with .png. As simple as that, right? Now let us see what is there in this particular list. Now we got a list which consists of only the .png files which are our image files. Hence the other process is the same which you saw for a single image. All we are going to do is to pass this particular list of image files to our image to PDF library. So this is our filtered out list. I'll give it here. I'll run everything. So I'll have closed the files itself. Again, this particular file.pdf should have been overwritten with 3 images now. Let us see. I'll open this in Chrome. Absolutely. All our 3 images have been converted to a single PDF here. So you have 3 pages with 3 images clubbed into a single PDF file. How simple, isn't it? And with that note, we have converted multiple images to a single PDF file. You can convert any image format to a PDF file using image to PDF library. If you are interested in magic reveals, do check out our Pro Magic series given in the description below, where we reveal magic tricks using Python code. The complete code is given in the description below. If you have any queries or if you are getting any error, do let me know in the comments below. I'll try to reply. If you find this video useful, like the video and share it to your friends. Thank you for watching and ding dong the bell of ASA Learning YouTube channel. See you all in the next video of Explained in Minutes. Thank you.